Hello, this is Hugan FPV here. This is going to be my third tuning/testing video. So in this one, I am still using the SMO 4K camera. I have it on 4K resolution, 60 frames per second. I am using the default color profile, just the regular lens protector on it. You can see right here, I even do a dive and a yaw, which all kind of drop your elevation with the throttle, and I'm still able to pull out of it, where yesterday I was not able to do that. I am still seeing a little bit of like a sag from time to time. It doesn't always come around, so I'm thinking about probably adding a capacitor for this, and definitely maybe later on getting the new all-in-one board that has the Heli 32 ESCs in it. So Wiffles has a great 95x V2 build video. I used his PID's information, and that seemed to help out this overall.